5. Focus on income in preference to sales. Most marketers are passionate about sales. I made $900,000 in 8 months, they claim. And you may. 1. Start out small. The first of our Bitcoin buying and selling suggestions is to continue with warning and begin with a quite small investment. Although it's a thrilling marketplace with a recognition for making the fortunate few giant income in a brief time frame, it's far never smooth to exchange Bitcoin, and there's massive chance involved. Cryptocurrencies, in general, are extraordinarily volatile. Avoid the temptation to move in all weapons blazing and, instead, choose small stake trades that assist you to get a cope with available in the marketplace with minimum danger. 2. Choose a secure wallet. Your Bitcoin Pockets is a maintaining pen on your virtual property, so it's critical to select accurately to make sure safety and simplicity of access. There are more than one alternatives out there, all with their very own functions and functionality. For amateur investors, it's beneficial to exchange through a legitimate broker, including Coinbase, and use the pockets they provide. If you're trying to select your personal pockets, though, you'll want to determine which kind is proper for you. 3. Research the market. The simplest sure half-place manner to turn out to be a success Bitcoin dealer is to do your homework and get to realize the marketplace. This isn't always an honest method, as a number of the practices used to assess different monetary markets do now no longer practice to Bitcoin. It's a in large part speculative discipline, and the results of world information and occasions on Bitcoin cost are very unpredictable. That said, there are steps you could take to develop your understanding. Technical analysis is a key study's ability, so make an effort to exercise studying charts and figuring out styles to tell your buying and selling strategies. You must additionally be cautious of Bitcoin suggestions from different investors. The nature of the marketplace way many humans are ready to make the most of the inexperienced. These identical humans are all too glad to inform you that proper time to purchase, with inside the wish of pumping price so we can go out on a huge win. Never take recommendation on face price, and do your due diligence earlier than getting into a change. 4. Be strict with profit targets and stop-loss orders. As mentioned, Bitcoin is unpredictably volatile, extra so than another monetary instrument, so it's crucial to have a plan and stick with it. Before beginning a roll, bear in mind what stage of income you'll be satisfied to take from the exchange, what losses you could have the funds for to shoulder, and set your goal and prevent loss levels proper from the start. This is one of the maximum critical guidelines, as without a disciplined technique it's all too clean to show yourself to doubtlessly devastating motion. Many amateur investors fall suffer to greed, protecting directly to a roll for in addition income best to peer costs plummet, at the same time as others with any luck persuade themselves that a downward fashion will opposite as they fall deeper into the loss zone. By being strict together along with your earnings objectives and forestall loss orders, you may without problems keep away from this pitfall and minimize hazard. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.